In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a free Cloudflare CDN for your Hostinger account in under 3 minutes. This process is quick and easy, and by the end of it, you'll have your site running with improved performance and security. So let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to the Cloudflare website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a button to add a new site. Click on it. Adding a site is the first step to connecting your domain with Cloudflare, enabling you to harness all the benefits they offer. After clicking Add, you'll need to select the option that says Connect a Domain. This is essential because Cloudflare acts as a gateway for your traffic, so it needs to know which domain you want linked to their services. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your domain. Make sure you enter it correctly. A small typo can lead to errors later. Now, with your domain entered, let's switch gears and head over to Hostinger. In your Hostinger control panel, locate your domain and copy it. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial for ensuring that Cloudflare has the correct domain to work with. Next, return to the Cloudflare dashboard and paste your domain in the space provided. This verifies that the intended domain is aligned with the Cloudflare setup. Once you've pasted your domain, click on Continue. What happens here is Cloudflare starts retrieving your DNS records. In this tutorial, although I've already added a domain, you'd usually encounter a prompt to add a domain and then input or verify DNS records. These records are what enable Cloudflare to manage traffic and enhance security for your site. Now let's return to Hostinger. In the dashboard, select Manage next to your domain. This will take you to more detailed settings where you'll make some final adjustments. Look for the section labeled DNS Name servers. This part of the setup is critical, as changing your domain's name servers to Cloudflare will fully activate the CDN service. Once you're in the DNS settings, type in the new Cloudflare name servers. It's important to replace the existing ones so that all traffic is funneled through Cloudflare. Verify that everything is entered correctly to avoid any connectivity issues. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient setup that enhances your website's performance dramatically. Setting up a Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger doesn't have to be complicated, and with this quick tutorial, you'll have your site optimized in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.